Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and make a group right there in your Snapchat app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, you'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app right there in your mobile phone. Once your Snapchat app is open, simply going to go to this message box icon, right? Once you do that, you will be able to find this kind of interface over here, including all of your chats with your friends and family. Afterwards, what you're going to do is simply go ahead, tap on this blue icon with the message with the pencil icon on top of it. Go ahead, tap on it, and here you can see this option called new group option given below this search bar. Simply go ahead, tap on this new group option. You can go ahead, enter a new group name over here, and you can go ahead, search a particular person that you would like to add. Let's say I would like to add this person in my group, and I can go ahead, make a group's name, and I can tap on this chat option, which will create a group with this person over here. I can just simply send it, and so again, go to this pencil icon over here, and you can go ahead, add the person that you would like to add, as many as you can, your friends from over here, and then you can go ahead, enter a group name, you can confirm it, and then you will be able to create a group for yourself. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.